Hi, my name is Brian. Today I'm going to introduce you to the 2300 SZ Zig Zag direct drive sewing machine. The 2300 SZ can be used to sewing light to medium weight material. It is versatile, handling tasks from applique on team jackets to sewing dancewear and dress shirts. The direct drive with its speed adjustment and needle position helps in doing detailed work such as crafting a rope basket. Today, we'll use the 2300 SZ to create a rope basket. The first step is to coil the rope to create the base of the basket. The coil should be big enough so that you can sew back and forth to tack it into place. So when you're tacking, put your machine on a small stitch and tack back and forth to secure the base. The next thing you should do is set the zigzag stitch so the needle is penetrating approximately halfway into each rope. Line the ropes up with the center of the foot to create the base. Now we have the base of the rope basket. The next step is to decide the width of the basket. To set the width of the basket, we need to turn the basket at approximately a 30-degree angle and sew. This will determine the width of our rope basket. Now that we have determined the width, we will move the basket to approximately a 90-degree angle and sew to set the height of our basket. Keep going until you reach the desired height. So what we will do now is cut the rope off. We can either do a sew over or we can tuck the excess to the inside of the basket, like this. And there you have it. The rope basket is ready.